In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the background of your Google Slides presentation transparent. This simple change can add a sleek and professional look to your presentations, making your text and other elements stand out more dramatically against any background you place them over later. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Google account. Head over to Google Drive with your preferred web browser. Once you've arrived at the Google Drive homepage, sign in with your email and password. Click Next to continue. This step is crucial because Google Slides is part of Google Drive and you'll need access to your files stored there. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Google Slides presentation you want to edit. If you haven't created a presentation yet, now's a great time to start one. Open your presentation and you're ready for the next step. Now let's focus on changing the background of your slide to transparent. Look for the background option in the toolbar at the top of the page. Google Slides makes it very user-friendly to find this. Just a simple click and you're where you need to be. After clicking background, a new window will pop up giving you background options. Here you'll see color options for your slides background. You might have used this before to choose solid colors, but did you know you can also make your background transparent? To do this, click on the color option, which will bring up a color palette. On this palette, you'll notice a variety of color choices, and at the bottom there should be an option for transparent. It's a small but mighty feature that you'll want to utilize for a transparent background. Go ahead and click on transparent. Once you've made your selection, the only thing left to do is to finalize your choice. Look for the Done button, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the pop-up window. Clicking this will apply the transparent background to your slide. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Google Slides background to transparent. This easy yet effective change can make your presentation look more polished and professional. Plus, it gives you the flexibility to place your slides over various backgrounds without clashing colors or designs. Remember, this setting applies to the current slide you are editing. If you want to apply a transparent background to other slides in your presentation, you'll need to repeat these steps for each slide. Or if you prefer a more unified look across the entire presentation, you can select all slides in the slide navigator and then apply the transparent background to save time. Experiment with it, have fun, and see how a transparent background can enhance the overall look of your presentation. Whether you're presenting in a professional setting or for a personal project, this simple trick can elevate your slides to the next level. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital work easier and more impactful.